Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be sharing with you two of the best online tools to extract pages from a PDF file. Whether you are working on a project, need to separate certain pages, or just want to streamline your PDF management, these tools will make your life a whole lot easier. So let us dive right in and get started. So this is a sample PDF file as is shown here from my desktop. This is the sample PDF file. It has 34 pages, so we'll extract some of these pages from this sample PDF file. So open your favorite browser like this, and the first tool I recommend is just small pdf.com. pdf.com, go there, small pdf.com, then go to tools, click there, then you'll find here extract PDF pages. Click there, then choose your PDF file. This is a PDF file, then open it. So after that, the PDF file will display like this. So if you want to extract the first, as an example, the first page, the third page, and the fifth page, you can choose them like this. Then what you are going to do, there are two options. The first thing, if you click finish, it will merge these three pages and a single PDF file. If you click this one, it will create three separate PDF files, which means it will extract page number 1 separately, page number 3 separately, and page number 5 separately. But if you want to create a single PDF file by merging these all three pages, you can click deactivate this one and choose finish. So now if you download it, you will create a single PDF file having all the three pages. Let us go to this IDM and let us open this one. Open the folder and we'll find this here. As it is shown here, it has three pages: the first page, the third page, and the fifth page separately like this. Go back again, and if I activate this one and extract PDF file, it will bring us three separate PDF files, zipped file it will bring us. So let's download it. So start the download, and then let us go here. You see, so this is a PDF file. Let us open it in the folder and let us extract it here. You see, as it is shown here, all the three pages separately extracted from this PDF file. So the second tool I recommend is just go to ilovepdf.com. Just go there, and in this all PDF tools option, you'll find this extract pages option. Then click select PDF file, choose your PDF file from your device. Then it will display it like this. Then as it is shown here, it is selected all the 34 pages, but if you want to deselect them, just go here and select pages. Now it is deactivated. Then after that, you can choose any page you want. As an example, the first page, you see it is displaying here. If I choose the third page, it will bring us with comma and add third page. And if I choose the fifth page, it will display it like this. Then what you are going to do, I want to extract this one, the first page, the third page, and the fifth page. Then if I choose this split PDF, it will split all the three pages. So I'll get three different PDF files. Let me show you split PDF. Let's download now. You see it is a zip file. It has three different pages, which means three different PDF files. So let me open the IDM. You see this is the file. Then let me open the folder. It is here. Then if I double click and open it, it will bring three different PDF files as it is shown here. But let us go back like this, and let us select PDF file, the same file, let us choose, then open it. Then the same thing, select PDF files. Now it is deactivate this one. Then if I want, choose the first page, the third page, and the fifth page. If I want to merge them and create a single PDF file, I have to click here, merge extract pages into one PDF file. So you have to active this one and split PDF file. Then finally you will get a single PDF file. You see, it is not zipped now. Then start download. Then finally go here. Let us go here. You see, this is a file. You can open the folder, then double click it. You see, now it has merged all the 3 PDF files. So you can use these tools to extract any pages from your PDF file. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank